Alright, so what we have here is a really colorful kid's desk. It's mostly functional, but it needs a little bit of work. So probably have to replace some of these bottoms because they got some water in them. Looking a little gross. I'm going to strip off all the paint. And I might turn some of these into shelves, like for books or something. I'll make it a little easier. So I'll have some shelves and drawers. Might completely sand this down, and if it's in good enough shape, I'll stain it. If not, I might replace the top. We'll see. Yeah, basically just update this kid's desk and see what we can do. First thing we're going to do is get all the paint off. And once we get the paint off, we'll see what kind of shape it's in. There's different knobs, so we'll probably replace the knobs, get some handles or something else. Yeah, starting off with the paint. Alright, now I'm going to make the shelves for both of them. I'm going to make the bottom two big drawers into shelves for books or whatever. I'm just going to use some extra wood I had, cut these down to size. I'll screw them together, and then I'll cut them down to the right size, and then I'll stain them. I'll paint everything before I install it, and then I'll install and then seal everything. Alright, now I'm going to stain the top and then the two shelves, install it, then paint everything, then seal it up all together. So now we're going to go put in the knobs. For the side drawers, got these little, these ones, and then for this one middle one, we'll do a bar. We'll see how it looks. I think it's going to all match up pretty good. After that, we're going to be done as soon as this is done and sealed. I had to do one little repair to the face of this. It was starting to split off, so just glued it. Now I'm clamping it down when it dries, so but I'll still be able to put the knob on and the existing holes. Only have to drill holes into this one. Alright. Alright, here it is all done. Got all the new knobs on. Got the shelf. 2 shelves, put bigger books in or something. Just finished top. Yeah, it's pretty quick, easy. Yeah, just kind of freshen up that painted whatever that was, and hopefully this get to some good use. But overall, like how it turned out, and we're all done.